Hello, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In front of me I have HONOR Magic8 Pro. In this video I want to show you how to fix battery drain on this device. So first of all, let's optimize applications, different applications behavior. In your settings you want to scroll to section battery, and now let's select app launch. So here please make sure to disable manage all automatically. And for some important applications you can turn this on. So let's say for me Gmail is important, Maps, and YouTube, for example. So yeah, you have to maximally turn off for other applications. Now let's go back and let's scroll to section battery use, and here you can see some analytical information, which applications use your battery the most, and you can go to applications that consume the most power, and you can press force stop button at the bottom side of the screen. Now let's go back, and here you will find power saving mode settings. Let's open it, and please automatically enable power saving mode. Additionally, using this slider you can adjust at which percent this power saving mode will be enabled. And let's go back, and additionally, if you want, you can go to display and brightness section. From here select screen resolution, and please enable smart resolution option to reduce battery consumption. So that were the main steps how we can fix battery drain on your HONOR Magic8 Pro device. I really hope that you find this video helpful. If so, please like this video and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.